Hey guys, how to initiate video call in Microsoft Teams. So first of all, hit the Meet button at the top right, okay? And you're gonna see a pop-up window. Meet now or join with meeting ID if you have a meeting ID. I'm gonna click Meet now for now, okay? I'm gonna see a pop-up window if you want to change the meeting title, and if you want to share if you want to share the meeting, copy the meeting link, or if you want to set the or change the settings before you start the meeting, okay? And basically what you're gonna do afterwards, after you change the meeting or modify the meeting settings, you're gonna hit start meeting, and as you can see in the screenshot, now you can enable or disable the video cam from your phone or your desktop, right? And that way you can use the Google Meet or the Microsoft Team meeting as a voice call or as a video call. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.